Hey folks, wanted to show you a new addition. Just got it off the truck this week. It's the 2025 edition of the Rawhide Series. This is the Rawhide 49T in saddle brown. So let me show you some of the new features of the Rawhide Series. So they've always had 11 gauge steel, 90 minute 1680 fire rating, or if you want to use a 1200 degree fire rating, it's a 110 minute fire rating, almost 2 hours of fire rating. So let me show you the new features of the Rawhide Series here. Again, this is a saddle brown. It also comes in a raw metal finish, which will show a picture of the raw metal if you're interested in that. But on this safe, the new features of the 2025 model, you're going to get the scope savers, which is usually on a US made safe. This is an import safe. Of course, you get the access door rack. And then also you get a plug kit and the LED light kit that you see right here. And then that worn leather material on the shelves. And then you get that 5-gun pistol rack. So this is the new 2025 edition of the Rawhide Series. If you have any questions about any other Browning safes or this particular model, you can give us a call here at the office, one of our 3 locations, or go to our website, which is thesafehouse.com.